Hello everyone, let's discuss this question from October-November 2024, variant 33. The question is, this is from Health Psychology, and the question over here reads, a teacher sees one class of 11-year-olds eating too much unhealthy food. So we're talking about a teacher, we're talking about a teacher noticing that a class of 11-year-olds eats too much unhealthy foods. Now, if you're familiar with the syllabus, you should by now be able to identify that this is about the study that was conducted by Tapper et al. In the year 2003. She wants to promote healthy eating, suggest how the teacher could decrease the amount of unhealthy food eaten by the children in the class. Now, if we have a look at the syllabus, even the syllabus hints us that this is about health promotion in schools with a focus on healthy eating, including a study example Tapper et al. 2003. Now let's have a look at the guidance first. So the guidance provided by Cambridge is cap at 3 if not specific to one class. Number 2, cap at 3 if not referencing reducing amount of unhealthy food. Number 3 should be suitable for 11-year-olds. Cap at 3 if it is something that could also be done with adults. If it is very suitable, example very unethical, if it is very unsuitable, example very unethical, do not credit these ideas. Using the same techniques used by Tapper et al., cap at 3, as this study did not try to reduce the amount of unhealthy food eaten. And if you recall, they were trying to promote healthy food eating from the study by Tapper et al. The next thing, can give full marks if the response then extends the suggestion to include reducing unhealthy food eaten. So if you have a look at the suggestions here, let me zoom this up. Use of a reward system for fewer unhealthy foods. Example, a sticker chart or a certificate for a certain number of stickers. Number 2, promotion of healthy foods as an alternative. Example, making more healthy food options in the school canteen and or fewer unhealthy foods. The third suggestion, using information leaflets and or films to educate children as to the health problems associated with unhealthy eating. Number 4, introduction of cooking classes that promote healthier cooking. Example, using less fat and cooking more vegetables. The next one, asking children to keep a diary of the foods they eat at home to promote awareness of unhealthy foods eaten. Now, if you have a look at the advice here, candidates could make one very detailed suggestion or a number of others in less detail. However, it must be coherent for full marks and clear that it is for the same children if there is more than one suggestion. Now, let's quickly have a look at the example answer that is provided to us by Cambridge. Look at these marks over here, the first mark, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. However, this question was of 4 marks. Getting back to the question again, if you write, the teacher could introduce a competition for the class to find as many ways as possible to make commonly eaten foods or meals healthier. The parents of the children could be involved with the teacher, writing to them saying how important healthy eating is and that she would like them to be involved in promoting healthy eating at home. Children could then pick food items, meals, and substitute unhealthy foods for healthy alternatives. Example, vegetables instead of rice or curry without cream. Record of each of these suggestions kept for each child, and the one with the most healthy changes receives a prize. Example, book token or certificate awards for 5, 10, or 15 suggestions. All suggestions made into a leaflet that could be used with all members of the school and their parents. Now, this is one way that you could gain 4 marks. However, because this question over here if you have a look at the linguistic of the question is asking you to suggest if there's anything besides this or beyond this that is appropriate to the question that has been asked, you'd still receive full marks. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.